Live vapor allows you to see a temporary trail for up to 12 hours of where your vehicles or assets have been. Whether you need to know where or what needs to be canvassed, plowed, or mowed, we've got you covered. Much like the vapor trail created within our popular historical playback feature, live vapor animates where your vehicles or assets have been. Only now, it continuously animates from the most recent live update your vehicles and assets make. From the drop-down menus at the top of the browser, select the option that best fits your needs. Begin by selecting the devices for which to see live vapor from the device drop-down menu at the top of your browser. Select either the All Devices option, a group of devices, or a single device. Then select the map vapor time from 1 hour to 12 hours. This will show a trail on the map where the device was at the beginning of your time frame to the current time frame, and will constantly update with each second that passes. For example, if you select to see a 9-hour live vapor, you will see from the current second to 9 hours in the past and not anymore. Next, select which vapor mode you would like to use, either normal or active inputs. Normal will show the device trail from the most recent live update to the end of the map vapor time you selected. Active inputs will show vapor trails only when a previously installed device input rule is triggered and active. This allows you to see a vapor trail, such as the route of a towed vehicle, the areas a snowplow has cleared or salted, among many other customizable options. If you click on the active input trail, it will show you the start and end times, and the amount of time it was engaged. Your input rules now have the ability to have a designated vapor color, which will be only shown when the rule is engaged. When active input mode is engaged, you will be able to single out or hide devices available. Each device will also have a legend under its name of all color-coded input rules. Active input mode, advanced option, requires input rules to be set up prior to using this mode. If you haven't previously created input rules, please go to the device management section within the control panel to set your input rules variables. Please note that the active input vapor color is shown with the chosen input rule color at the time that the active input was engaged. If you change the active input vapor color, and it is within the time frame you are viewing the live vapor, you may encounter the original and newly selected color during that live vapor session. Once you have made your selections, click Start to begin the live vapor. You should now see the live vapor trail on the vehicle or asset and an additional menu along the left side of your browser window. There are 4 map control options available in both modes: small icons, flags, satellite view, and weather. These options allow you to customize your mapping preferences while using live vapor. Vehicles may be found by using the search bar by scrolling through the device legend listed under the map options box on the left-hand side of the browser. In normal mode, 3 options are available in the device legend. You may edit the device to set a new vapor trail color by clicking on the pencil icon. Please note that the default vapor trail color is the same color of the device flag color of the device flag's background color. To single out a specific vehicle trail, click on the solo icon. Click the icon again to show your original selection. To hide a vehicle's trail, click on the eye icon. Click on the icon again to unhide the trail. If you want to remove a vehicle completely from your view, simply click the X icon in the top right-hand side of the device panel. This will remove the device only from the live vapor view you have selected. It will not remove any data from your tracking system. Clicking on any item in the legend will center that device, which is creating the vapor trail. You may change the selected live vapor by clicking the red stop button in the upper right-hand corner and changing the options from the drop-down menus. Click the Start button to see your new selections. To exit live vapor and return to standard live GPS tracking, click the white X icon in the upper right-hand corner of the browser window. If you have additional questions, please contact our tech support Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time.